Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I'm waiting others to join. Already 10 minutes over. We'll start the class.
Okay, sir.
So connect to your developer file account, everyone. What was the last topic yesterday we were discussing? What was the last topic? Can
Sir,
anyone check?
restrict the user login.
Login history given notes. Login history.
No, sir.
Anyways, we told, right? How to restrict the user. That is completed. That
Yes,
5 ways
Yes, sir.
is
Completed.
yes.
right. Login history?
No, sir.
No. Okay. We will discuss now. Password policies also removed. Right. So go to setup, manage users. Under manage users, we have a login history. Login history. See, what is login history here? Just click on your file account and check once. You will come to know what is login history. Just click on your trial account.
Checking.
Okay.
Login details. Last login.
From last 6 months data. Last 6 months data. Who logged into the system? Log out. What is the operating system? What is the IP address? Right? Everything is available in this login history. Everything is available.
Yes, sir.
Just check once. Everyone just check once in your trial accounts.
Sir, what is the CSV file and GZIP file?
A comma separated file. CSV generally, if you want to upload the data or download the data, we will use CSV format. Comma separate. Zip file. This is a zip file. So all logins last 6 months who logged in, complete information we will get here. The location also it is giving, IP address also it is giving. Which browser also, that much details we are getting. If anyone asks you, higher management, the last 6 months, who is logging into the organization? If any unwanted persons or any another person is logging in, security constraints, we will use this data to analyze. We will use this data. The login history. Okay, just write down 1 or 2 points about this. So you should know, as admin, you should know login history. Login history. admin can track. Admin can track the login issues related to user from login history. If we are facing any issue also, we can come to know. Users are facing any issues, even we can check that information here. What is the problem? Navigation, setup, step, manage users, login history. This is clear, everyone? Just checking the login history, that's it, nothing is there. Now one question we will write about the profiles users. So which permissions are required? Which permissions are required to manage the users? Permissions are required to manage the users. So all possible permissions I will list out. Okay. Number 1, manage roles permissions. So what it will do, if you enable this permission, so this permission is to create, delete the roles. Manage roles. Manage profiles and permission set. Manage profiles and permission set. This one I think already previous classes we told. Anyone remember?
Yes.
See, what it will do. This permission is to create, edit, delete the profiles. Next, manage password policies. Manage password policies. Same thing. This permission is to change the password policies. To change the password policies. So change the password policies. Next. Manage login access. Login access policies. This permission is to create, edit, delete, IP restrictions. IP restrictions. So login policies, right? Login policies control. Sorry, this will control. This will control who can log in. This permission will control can log in. Who can log into the application? Next, one. Reset password and unlock. Reset password and unlock user. This permission, you can reset the password, the users, unlock the users. This permission is unlock the user or reset the password. Reset the password. Some of the permissions we will write. Number 6. Customize application. Customize application permission if you enable in the profile level, what will happen? This one already told. Can anyone tell me? Step and configuration, next one. To setup and configuration. This one also I told them. Can anyone tell me what exactly? Manage I'm audible? Servers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
These two already I told. What exactly? Customize application permission. I think I told. I'm not
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Customize
Yes.
application permission. If you enable to the user, they can be. They can
Modify like
create applications. They can create applications, fields, tabs. To create applications, tabs. This one, first one. To create apps, objects, fields, tabs, etc. Application related information, if you want to create, you have to give customize application permission to the user. Okay. View setup and configuration. This one I think I told. What is this permission? If you enable this permission, what will happen?
They have the access to the application to develop, or only admins have the
That
access.
is setup button, right? Setup
Yes,
button.
yes.
Setup button. Setup. This option is to show setup button. This option is to show setup button.
Hello, sir.
One minute, ma. I got a call. 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So what I was telling, view setup and configuration permission, if you enable, setup button can be able to see. User can able to see the setup button. Okay, setup menu. This option is to show, write down. This option is to show. This option is to show setup menu. Setup menu. Setup menu. Next, manage business hours holidays. What is this one? If you enable this option, user can able to create, edit business hours or holidays. User can able to create, edit business hours and holidays. Business hours and holidays. User can able to create business hours and holidays. Next, password policies also we will see. Okay, password policies. Password policies. See where it is available. These password policies. If you want to reset the password, maximum length, how much you want, and the security questions, where you born, what is your hometown, like that. Some questions we will get, right? So all these things, where we can set it. Can anyone tell me? Password policies, where I can see this section. People are not reading clearly understanding.
No, manage user.
Yeah, where the roles or profiles are somewhere tabs, where I can see this password policies section. I given clue. I given answer also. Options also I given. Where we can see in the role section, we can see our profiles, we can see our tabs, we can see our applications, we can see where this password policies. Profiles. Okay. See, go to setup, manage users, profiles. See, I told to go through these profiles, different sections. We have profiles. There are so many sections available in the profiles. When you open any of the profile, it is having so many sections. Page layouts, right? Page layouts, article type layouts, and custom application settings, right? Which applications user can able to see, which tabs user can able to see. All these things we can control, right? Record type settings. We will see later what is record types. Record type settings, right? And administrative permissions. That's what we told, right? Profiles will controlled by these many things: administrative permissions and general user permissions, standard object permissions. Okay. See, here we have a section called password policies. Password policies. Even login hours also we saw, right? Here, login hours and IP ranges yesterday we saw, correct? People remember?
Yes, yes.
Login hours and IP ranges. Same way, password policies also, where it is present, password policies in the profile section. So here you can set the user passwords expires in. This complete information you can set it here. How many days it should expire? Minimum password length, password complexity requirement. See, all these things we can set in the password policies section. What is the navigation? Can anyone tell? What is the navigation? Can anyone tell me?
Setup.
Okay.
Manage user.
Hmm.
Profile. Password policy, right?
Users, profiles. Yeah.
Click on any user.
Not
Scroll
users.
down.
Not user.
Profile.
Yeah.
Sorry. Scroll down.
Okay.
In bottom you will be finding password policy.
Password policies. Right.
Yes, yes.
So write down password policies, some points. This will specify the rules of your password. Rules of your password. See, what are all rules it is showing? Minimum length of password. Minimum length of password. Password format. Password format. Security questions. Security questions. Next, how many old passwords? How many old passwords be remembered? How many old passwords should be remembered? Password expiry time. Password expiry time. Right, all this information we can capture in the password policy section. Navigation, just write down setup. So in Lightning, you know, right, where to check the profiles. Same navigation, Lightning navigation only, this one. Setup, administer, setup, administer. Yeah, tell me. Manage users, right? Manage users. Manage users. Profile. Open any of the profile. Open any of the profile. The password policies. Password policies. This is clear, everyone?
Clear.
Right. So this is about your users, complete information about the users. So because that is a very important part in the application, right? So for whom you are doing all this customization, configuration, everything for the end user. So this much information you should know about the users. Right. We go to next topic. Page layouts. Page layouts. I think so many places while creating objects, while creating tabs, somewhere you saw page layouts. Page layout, default page layouts we added. Default page layout we added for the objects. First of all, what is page layouts? Important concept. So what is page layout? We have a object. Let's say we have one object. And this object, how to display to the profiles? How to display to the profiles? This object, how to display to the different profiles? So assume this is a system admin profile, and this is manager profile, and this is normal user profile or software engineer profile. Assume the same object, the object name, for example, leads. Leads is the object, or accounts is the object. Accounts is the another object. Loan is another object, right? Loan is another object. It's a custom object, standard object. How you are showing to the system admin? How you are displaying the data of the manager profile or software engineer profile? Let's say 100 fields are there, some 50 fields are there. 50 fields are there in the leads lead object. But so system admin log into the system. If you are giving access to leads object, all 50 fields we will show, correct? All 50 fields we will display to the system administrator. Yes or no? All 50 fields, whatever what is present in the system admin. Yeah. Leads object, all 50 fields we will display to the system administrator. Okay. The same object. The same object, manager, if login, the same, if we click on the tab, the leads tab, only 25 objects I will display. Only 25 fields I will display. You know, right? What is the difference between fields and objects? Object is a table. Inside that we have fields, columns, small columns. So that columns, which columns you want to display. 50 fields are there in this table. 50 fields are there in the table, but you are displaying manager profile 25 fields only. For software engineer, only 10 fields you are displaying. You are displaying. Same object only. You are not creating separate objects to the profiles. System admin one profile, one object, lead object, manager profile, another lead object. So there is a duplication, right? So if you are creating for person wise one object, uh, first one 50 fields, second one 25 fields, the same name. First of all, same name it will not allow. Same name, leads 10 times it will not allow. 2 times also it will not allow, right? So duplication it will not allow. The same one object only, how you are playing. See, these 50 fields are there. 50 fields just to show everything to the system admin login. Manager logins, the same leads if he is taking, only 25 fields we will display. And software engineer profile, only 10 fields we will display from the leads. See, to achieve this concept, there is a page layout they given. Page layouts. Everyone clear? Page layouts, why? It will control how the object should be displayed. How the object should be displayed to the profiles. How the object should be displayed to the profiles. Everyone clear? And also some of the
Yes.
things we can control here. Order and format of the columns, order of the columns, which order you want to display, which buttons you want to display. For example, delete button we will display here. Delete button and edit button I will show to the system admin. And manager only edit button I will give. Delete I don't want. So software engineer there is no buttons here, just a read access. Only he can able to see that records. That's it. He cannot delete or edit or whatever. See how you will control all these things, buttons, sections, right? So by using page layouts concept. So just write down one point about this. I will show how to create. The page layout controls. Page layout controls. Page layout controls. Page layout controls. How an object should be displayed. How an object should be displayed to the profile. How an object should be displayed. How an object should be displayed to the profile. To the profiles. Next point. Page layout controls. Page layout controls. Page layout controls. Which fields be displayed? Which fields should be displayed? Which object, which fields, which order, right? Which order or format in which order fields be displayed? Which order fields should be displayed? In which format? I will show you everything. Which format, everything we will. Which format fields should be displayed? fields should be displayed. Which format fields should be displayed. Which format fields should be displayed. Which buttons should be displayed. Which button should be displayed on the page, the details page. And also some related list. So it will controls the related list and fields. Related list and fields. See, in one particular object, how many page layouts I can create? In one particular object, see leads object example we are discussing. In the leads object, how many profiles, how many page layouts I can create? How many page layouts I can create? System admin one page layout, manager profile one page layout, software engineer profile one page layout. 3 page layouts I can create on the leads object. I can assign to the different profiles. You got the story? See, in the leads object, 3 different page layouts I can create and assign to different users. Here, one page layout having 50 fields, another page layout having 25 fields. You give name as a manager page layout, software engineer page layout, name it, one more new one create, and just add only 10 fields. Then assign to that particular profiles. Right? So write down on an object. We can create multiple. Can you please mute it, buddy? You're not talking. Please mute it. So on an object, we can create multiple page layouts. In a one object, you can create a multiple page layouts. I can create. Okay. Right. One profile will have one page layout on a object. Next point, right now. One profile will have only one page layout. One profile will have only one page layout on a object. Let me give the navigation. After that, we will go to practical example. How to open the profiles, you know, right? Profiles. After opening the profile, there is a section called page layout. Right, write down. Setup, build, create, object name, select any object name. There is a section called page layout. New or edit button. Add the section to the page layout. After the opening the new one, there is some steps we have to follow. Add a section to the page layout. Add section to the page layout. Choose the columns. Choose the columns and tabs. Sorry, tab order, not tabs here. We'll change the meaning. Tab order. Tab order. Fields, how you will display the tab order 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are entering the data and next it will go right. So that order also we can decide by using the page layouts. Next, choose the fields. Choose the fields. Number 4, specify the format. Specify the format of. Specify the format of fields. Number 5. If you want any buttons, you can remove or add it. Add buttons. Add buttons. Layout. Add buttons to the layout. Specify the fields that needs to be displayed. Even a related list, any list kind of information also we can add it in the screen. So add the related list. Add the related list and its fields. After that, save. Number 7, save. Right. So writing part completed. Just confirm me, everyone. Then we'll go to practice.
Yes, sir.
How many members are there today, class? 6 members. What about others? Why they are not joining the classes? 12 members, total 12 this batch. Everyone is depending on the videos. It's not good. Right here, we'll do one practical session for this. Let's take leads only. Leads or accounts, anything is fine. So we will take leads. Okay. So we will create on a lead object. Let me give the. See, this is the use case you have to implement now. Use case. Object, on which object we are going to do this one? Lead object, because so many fields are there. No? You can take loan object, project, whatever you created, but multiple fields are not there, right? Hardly 4 or 5 fields we created, that's it. So that's why you take standard object for this example. To understand this example, take the standard object. So on lead object, we are going to create a page layouts. What are all page layouts you are going to create in this? Page layout names. How many users you have? How many users we created yesterday? User section.
3 users.
Admin is there. Admin is there already. 3 users created, right? Manager profile 1 created, I think.
Yes,
Clerk,
yes. Clerk.
clerk profile, clerk user created. Name what we given? Kiran, na?
Kiran.
Kiran. Okay. Because this logins we want to use now. If you want to understand profiles, page layouts, you need these logins. Username, password is there, right? It's working condition. So Wilson, I think Wilson is the manager. Kiran is the clerk. Admin, let it be. In admin login, we are configuring. In admin login, what you are doing? You are creating the layouts. You are creating the layouts. So these two logins, how it is displaying, we want to see. Okay. Right. Manager login and clerk login, working condition is there or not, you have to check. Different browsers you can utilize if you want. Right. What I am going to do, page layouts we have to create first. After that, step 1 is you need to create page layouts. 2 page layouts you create. 2 page layouts we will create. Assign this page layouts to assign this page layouts. Assign this page layouts to profiles. Which profiles you want to assign? Which profile you want to assign? Manager profile, manager layout, and clerk. 2 profiles we are going, 2 page layouts we are going to create and assign to manager profile and clerk profile. Okay, this is second step. After that, log in as a manager. Log in as a manager and check leads objects. Lead object. After that, log out as a manager and log in as a clerk. Log in as a clerk. Check lead object. Again, lead only. Lead object. So number of fields we will differ. Here you can add some 10 fields. Here only you add 5 fields, that's it. 5 fields you can add it here. Here 10 fields, here 5 fields. In the page layout. So these are the steps you have to follow for this task, to complete this task. Understood? Requirement understood first of all. Everyone understood the requirement, Amma? Okay. Now, first, what you have to do, go to application. Everyone writing part completed? Just confirm me.
Yes.
Okay. Somebody telling no. I'll wait 1 more minute. Confirm me once completed. So already we have created the profiles and profiles we created, manager profile and clerk profile. And also users you created. Manager is Wilson and Kiran is clerk, like that I told previous classes. On top of that only we will practice this one. Again, if you want to create a new structure It will take more time. We use existing users data. Login information also you have already. So writing part completed, just confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, first step we will do. First, we will create 2 page layouts. Okay. First 2 page layouts we will create. One is manager page layout, clerk page layout. Like that, we will give the names and we will create 2 page layouts. That is the first step. So go to application, everyone. Steps I will tell you slowly. You can follow and complete it. Click on setup button. Click on setup. Go to build section. Click on setup. Go to build section. Here customize, not create because you are taking standard object. All standard objects are present in the customized link. Customize link. All standard objects are present in customize link. Click on customize link. Here we have a leads. Expand that leads. Up to this step, everyone done. Just confirm me. I will go to next steps.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See, after expanding the leads, see we have a separate section called page layouts. Page layouts. Already some four page layouts, default page layout, Salesforce given. Okay, lead layout, lead support layout, lead sales layout, lead marketing layout, like that. So we will create another 2 layouts, manager one and clerk. Click on new button. Everyone click on new button. Don't take any existing layout. We will create a new layout. So we don't want clone or anything here. Right, page layout name you give manager, manager page layout. Manager page layout you give. You can save it. Save. After saving, you are redirecting to this screen. Everyone came to this screen. Just drag and just check it on this. What is available here. So everyone are in this screen, right? Next step, what we have to do? You have to add the section. You have to add a section. Manager personal info. Like that, we will add one section. Okay. See section how to add here. This side, if you see left side, here we have a fields, buttons. When you click this one, here this information will change dynamically. Quick actions, mobile lightning actions, expand lookups, related lists, related list. Right, these are the fields. So click on field section first. Already it is in the fields only. From here you can add the section. Just drag and drop this section. Like this, I will get the pop-up. New section I am going to add. One new section I am going to add for this layout. Shall I show again?
Yes,
How
yes,
to
sure.
add?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just drag and drop. Just hold this one, hold this with the mouse and drag and drop here. Down. Let me add. Yeah, here. These fields are there, no? You just drag and drop here. Section. Just hold it. Just leave it. Hold and leave.
Okay.
New section. It will ask new section. What is the new section name? Manager. Manager personal info. Manager personal info. Manager personal info. Section name is manager personal info. Section name is manager personal info given. Let it be detailed page, edit page, everything, layouts. Here 2 columns are there. And tab key order. I told, right? Your page layout will control the order. Tab order. It will control the tab orders. Left, right, top, down. Left, right, top, down. 1 column, 2 columns. 1 column means page it will divide into 2. 1 column means same. 2 columns is it will divide into 2 sections, 2 columns. Here and there we can add the fields. Let it be all these things. Just click on OK button. Now section is added. See, manager personal info section. This is what manager personal info section added. Manager personal info section added. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Section adding section. Any doubt? Anyone here having any problem? Just tell me. No issues, right? Now start adding the fields now. In this section, take some 10 fields, whatever you want, you can take 10 fields. 10 fields count and drag and drop. So how to take the fields here, how to design the fields. See here, we have a fields, different fields available. Let me take campaign, and clean status. Just I'm drag and drop doing. What else? Phone number, second column I am adding phone number. Primary, lead status is not allowing. Mobile, rating, lead source, revenue. How many now? 8 fields completed. Another 2 I will take. Lead owner. Lead owner, it is not coming. Industry. 1 more I will take. Facts. See, only out of some 30 to 40 fields, how many you added for the manager? Manager view, you added just 10 fields. Total 10 fields I added in the section. Manager personal info section. 1 section only I added. If you want another section also, we can add it. Another section, education details something, or additional information. 1 more section you can drag and drop if you want it here. Additional information section like that, you can add it. So timing, you just add only one section and 10 fields for manager profile. Everyone clear this one? Adding section, adding fields, adding section, adding fields. 2 items now, as of now. And buttons. Now go to button section, buttons part here. See, so many buttons are there. I don't want all these buttons to the manager. Just give 2 or 3 buttons, that's it. Edit, delete, and sharing. Only 3 buttons is enough for me. Manager, I don't want to show all these buttons, all these functionalities. I don't want access. I don't want to give access. What I am telling, edit you give, delete you give, sharing you give. Remaining everything, just remove it. Change owner, just I am removing. Change record type, removing. Convert, removing. Clone also, I don't want to give to the manager. Sharing, history. Find out duplicates. Check for new data. Add to calls list. Printable view. Remove all buttons, only 3 buttons, let it be. The manager layout. Start conversion. See, only 3 buttons I want, that's it. Don't want to show all the buttons. Usually from here to here we will add, but here ulta we did. Already they given rights. Default unwanted things you can remove it. Yeah. Let it be 3 buttons for the manager profile. Up to here everyone is fine. Adding section, adding fields, removing the buttons. Anyone facing problem?
No.
Once complete these 3 steps, you can click on save button, left hand side, right corner. Click on save button here top. We have a save button. See here, save button is there. See, if I click on save button, what will happen? It is saving like this. One more layout created. One more layout created. One more layout created. Same way you create one more clerk. Clerk page layout. Click on new button. Clerk page layout. Clerk page layout. Save it. How many fields I told? How many fields I am telling?
5.
For clerk, 5. For clerk only we will give. Delete you we don't want to give. Just I will remove the buttons first. I will remove the buttons first. Let me remove all the buttons. Edit and sharing only 2 button access will be. Only 2 buttons access I will. Only 2 buttons access I given. And one section we will add. Clerk personal info like that. Manager added no. Same way. Clerk. Clerk personal info. Order everything, let it be. Clerk personal info added. 5 fields I will add. Whatever I want, 5 fields I will add. That's it. Only 5 fields I will add. Phone number I will add. Primary contact I will add. Title. Second column. And the fax I will add it. One more field I will add. Industry. That's it. The clerk profile, only 5 fields, 1 section, 5 fields, 2 buttons, edit and sharing, that's it. Edit and sharing only. Tell me any questions? Somebody unmuted. Tell me. Right. No questions. Just click on save button for this also. This is the first step you have to do. Lead layout, manager layout, clerk page layout. 2 layouts we created. Manager layout is having 10 fields. Clerk is having only 5. What is the next step I told? After creating the page layouts, what is the next step?
Assign to profiles.
Assign to the profiles. Good. Assign to the profiles. Manager profile and clerk profile. This page layouts, whatever you are created, that one we have to assign individually. Correct? Let me assign. Up to this, everyone completed. Just tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 layouts everyone created, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we have a second button, right? Page layout assignment. Click on that button. See here, new, after new, we have another button called page layout assignment. Page layout assignment. Click on that button. Click on that button. It will redirect to this page. It will redirect to this page. Everyone done this one? You are in this page?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, what we have to do? We are assigning the layouts to the profiles. Edit assignment, you click. Edit assignment. Edit assignment. Click on edit assignment. It will go to edit mode. Different colors. It will go to edit mode. Manager profile select. Color will change, blue color. Manager profile. What layout is there now? Lead layout. I want to give manager layout. So select this one. It will change the color, blue color. Then go to the drop down box. Just go to pick list. Select the manager layout. Select the manager layout. When I select the manager layout, immediately it will change here. This point may be some little confusion for everyone. First, you have to select the profile. First, you have to select the profile. After that, select the drop down, which profile you want. After that, select the drop down, manager profile. Then it will change. Very simple. Next, clerk is there. I created or not? I think I didn't create clerk. You can select another one, clerk. In my system, it is not there. You can select the clerk profile. Clerk profile.
Sir, I created, but I didn't see here. Clerk is not here.
Clerk is not there.
If for me it is displaying, for you why it's not displaying?
Showing.
Saved?
Not displaying, sir.
You saved or not, first of all?
Yes.
While creating page
Saved.
layouts, saved? Save means it will
Yes,
display.
saved.
Manager it is displaying means it will display this profile also, right? Something wrong. Just go and check once. First of all, list it is showing the list. Go back. Up to this step, everyone completed. Just click on save button. Who
Yes,
completed
yes.
up to this step? Just click on save button. Now go to manager login and check. Whoever not showing, I'm just going back. I will come from starting. Here, all the list is displaying.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. There is a
Lead page layouts, 6 it is displaying. Clerk it is displaying here. First check here. If it is there it will display. For whom doubt? Who is that, Amma? Doubt.
yeah,
Whom it is
clerk
not displaying?
out
Why
there.
should share the screen once?
Sorry, sir, I can't share. But here the clerk page layout, lead marketing layout, lead sales layout, lead supporting layout, lead layout, manager page layout.
It is displaying everything, but while assigning time, it is not displaying.
Yeah, that's a problem, sir.
What to do? Manager also not displaying.
Manager is displaying. Okay, fine.
Okay. If you share the screen, I can help you. Like this, I cannot.
Okay, sir.
Not able to
Continue.
help you. Yeah.
Okay.
What about others? Everyone created.
Yes.
So page layout assignment. Page layout assignment. Edit assignment. Edit assignment. For example, clerk is not there. Clerk I will assign to some other user. Contact manager. Select clerk page layout. Page layouts assigned. Manager. Manager profile selecting. Select the manager profile. Then click on save button. It will display now. Manager profile, page layout is assigned to manager profile. Clerk page layout is assigned to this person in my system. In your system, clerk profile will be there. Vaishak, first of all, here clerk profile is displaying for you in the profile list.
No, sir.
That is the problem, because profile may be, you have to create a profile also. You first to go to profile section, there you create the profile. At least manager one you check, that one you can practice later. Manager part you can check now.
Manager part I saved, sir. Already saved.
Saved, then you do one thing.
Manager page layout is saved.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Then after that, what we have to do? Log out from the admin. Log out from the admin.
Okay.
Log out from the admin from the application. Everyone. Click on log out button. Log in as a manager. Log in as a manager. Manager user. Wilson. Yesterday, you created different users, right, in the system. Login as a manager. Can anyone share the screen? Kevin, can you please share the screen and show me?
This is one
Or
second.
anyone? Marnad. I will stop sharing the screen. At least one login, if you are able to understand properly. Clerk one you can do later. Manager, you at least first understand. Sharing. Who is sharing Tamil? Can anyone share the screen and show me?
Yes. So visible, sir?
Yes. You are trying to log in as a manager.
Password.
What happened? You didn't save the password and notepad.
Sir, I logged as a manager.
Okay. Go to leads section. Leads tab. Click on leads tab. Who is that? Vaishak.
Logged in, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vaishak. Click on leads tab.
Yeah, click it.
Okay, click on new button in the leads.
Yeah, then.
There, how many fields you are seeing?
1, 2, 3, 4,
10
5.
fields, whatever we added, 10 fields only, right?
10 fields, sir.
Correct. This is what we want.
Yeah.
This is what we want. If you logged in as a clerk, you can see only 5 fields.
Okay.
You got the story? What
Yeah.
is going on here? The same object you are displaying to the different users, different fields. Same object
Here,
only.
where I'm
Click on
to
lead.
Lead.
Click on lead. Click on lead. New button. Click on new button. Leads. Click on new button. How many fields you added? You added more fields maybe. Yeah, manager profile info section added, and you added some extra fields also.
Yes.
So it is displaying. You got the story?
Nice.
This is what we want. When manager login, 10 fields we are displaying. When clerk is login, how many fields? 5 fields we will display. Yeah. If anyone having clerk login also can log in and show me. You have the clerk login, Amel?
So no, sir.
Okay. Who is having clerk login? 5 fields I want to show in the leads object. Leads tab. Amarnath, Vinayak, Nisana. Respond. Can anyone show?
Kiran, right, clerk?
Yeah, Kiran.
Yeah, let me log in.
Can you share the screen?
Yes.
Okay. See, this is manager, right? Whatever you were just showing.
Yes, that was my
Yeah, log out and log in as a Kiran.
Oh, I forgot to give it as self. It's Gmail. Is that an issue?
No, nothing. You can give cell phone. Cell phone given, right? While registering this user.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. What happened? Kiran K capital. Huh?
Yeah, yeah, same. Okay. Let me check my email.
Otherwise, forget password. You click on and give this username. You will get the OTP something link. You can change the password.
Okay. Let me check.
So you will get one link to change the password. Can change in mobile also fine.
Yes, mobile. I'm checking out. Not receive any.
Some concepts real time you have to do like this only. Simply if you learn what is page layouts means, that's it. That points only you will remember. If you do some practical like this real time scenarios, you can understand and the concepts easily. If anyone asking in the interviews, ulta something they will ask scenario based questions. If they are asked also, that will be you can easily answer.
I didn't receive, sir. Shall I try Divya, HR?
Okay, fine. But profile you have to assign, no?
Yes.
Layout you have to assign.
I did not receive this.
For Divya, you have to assign the clerk layout.
Yes.
We are not able to see your screen. Yeah, now fine. Application.
Let me check that profile once. Oh, I think I created a wrong email. Are you able to see?
Okay.
Let me try to reset again. Wait.
Fine.
Okay.
What about others? How you are doing? Manager able to see everyone? The 10 fields. Amarnath, Vinayak,
I'm unable to reset the password. It says you haven't selected an answer to your password hint.
Okay.
Contact admin.
Okay, fine. If people try later, this one clerk profile.
Okay, I'll try later.
Yeah. Okay. Let me share my screen.
Sure.
So this is what the page layout concept. So practically also we saw this one. And one more small concept is there. Let me take that one. Page layout and mini page layout. Mini page layout. Mini page layout. Mini page layout. See, when we place the cursor over the records, let me show what is mini page layout. Go to home. Here, what all these things records, right? Recent items. When you place the cursor on this particular lead record, what it is displaying? One pop-up it is displaying. Short information it is showing. Some short information it is displaying, correct? Got it?
Yes, pop-up.
Pop-up. Name, company, email, leads status. If you go to invoice name, account name, account, invoice, only two column names. Short and simple, it is displaying something. Without opening the record, go to invoice and there we will see the how many records created and what are all details. Short and simple information it is displaying. Got it? This is nothing but mini page layout. Mini page layout. Everyone understood what exactly the mini page layout? The pop-up window is opening, right? This is what mini page layout. When you assign any page layout, by default, mini page layout also will be assigned. But we have to set what are all fields you want. Here only two it is displaying. Name and account name. If you go to leads, it is displaying 4 fields it is displaying. Without opening the record, just if we put the cursor on this, it is displaying only 4 fields. So this one we have to set somewhere in the application, correct? This is nothing but the pop-up window is called mini page. Everyone clear? I will show you where exactly this one. Go to setup, manage users. We have a profile. After opening profile, any of the profile, go to page layout section. There is a page layout, right, in the profile. Any of the profile, if you open, sorry, I will go to object section. It will confuse you. So we will go to objects. In the objects only, we can see the go to objects on any of the object. Here we have a page layout, right? This is the page layout. Page layout section is there. In the objects, we have a page layout. Okay. Open any of the page layout. Open any of the page layout. Here we have a mini page layout. See here, when you click on this one, what are all fields you want to display? Select all this one. Selected, available, selected, and save it. Where you are identifying? Can anyone tell me the navigation? Setup, build, create, object. Open any of the object. For example, loan object. Under loan object, we have a page layout section. Open existing page layout, edit. We have a mini page layout. You click on mini page layout. Select all available things. Or if you don't want to show some of the fields, just drag this side. Then click on save. After that, again you have to save the page layout also. Under the page layout only, you can find the mini page layout. This is clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Under the page layout only, you can find the mini page layout. There you can see whatever the available, what are all things you have to display. Then just put the cursor. Based on that, it will show the fields. Okay. Just write down some points. After that, you can do practical. Mini page layout. Mini page layout. First point, when we place the cursor, we place the cursor over the reference link, over the reference link of a record, over the reference link of a record, window, opens, a pop-up window opens, showing you the details of the record. Details of the record. Pop-up. This pop-up window is called. This pop-up window is called mini page layout. Pop-up window is called mini page layout. This pop-up window is called mini page layout. Every page layout has corresponding mini page layout. Corresponding mini page layout. Corresponding mini page layout. When we assign the page layout, when we assign the page layout to a profile, or corresponding page layout, corresponding mini page layout will be assigned to profile. Into profile. Create page layout. Steps to create mini page layout. Steps to create mini page layout. Write down. Build, setup, build, create objects, object name, page layouts, choose the page layout, edit, choose the page layout and edit. There are some steps you have to follow. The mini page layout. Choose the mini page layout. The menu bar. Choose the fields. The fields. Number 3. Save the mini page layout. Choose the mini page layout. Save the page layout. Save the page layout. For individual objects, individually we can create the many page layouts. For individual objects. Individual objects we can create them. Inside the page layout only we can find the mini page layout. Everyone clear?
Yes.